Welcome to week 2 in English 102. As you look back over the course of the first week in this class, I hope you see that the assignments were meant to help you realize what this class entails. By watching the Nat Kendall Taylor TED Talk about using words, you're able to get an idea of the importance of how we frame arguments. You learn a new term, exigence. Although you probably already knew what the word was, you just didn't know that there was a term attached to it. Simply put, the exigence is what causes a person to write or speak an oration. The exigence includes everything that goes along with what causes a person to write or speak about something. I will be reading your responses to the TED Talk this week. I expect many of your answers to be different, but there should be one element that is the same, and that is that we need to think about the words we choose as we pose arguments. If you still need a little help with this concept, go back to the Week 1 folder and visit the link Rhetorical Situation Definition. This will take you to a great article that provides a glossary of rhetorical terms that we will be using throughout the course of this class. Additionally, if you did not watch the Camille Lagsden video called How to Use Rhetoric to Get What You Want, I suggest you go back into Week 1 and do so now. It was embedded in the PowerPoint, but it was also standing alone on its own, so you didn't have to go look back through the PowerPoint to try to find out where it was. So this week has you viewing and studying a PowerPoint about academic arguments. There are some links to samples in the slides that will help you understand the type of writing that I am talking about on that particular slide. So be sure to visit that link to know what I'm talking about. Additionally, be sure to go take the quiz over the PowerPoint. As you saw with the last quiz, there are no trick questions. The quizzes are only meant to see that you actually viewed the PowerPoint. So this week also, you will learn about MLA style guidelines. Again, watch the PowerPoint and any other material that is included in there, such as videos and articles and documents. You probably got a rudimentary taste of MLA guidelines in English 101 or maybe even in high school. But now is the time that we have to really grasp the concepts as we move forward in academic writing. Additionally, in this class, we have several different age groups of people in here, so we probably learned MLA at different times in our lives. MLA updates itself a lot. The last big update was in 2016, and that included a lot of updates. Mainly it was meant to accommodate such things that we weren't using as sources before, meaning Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Netflix, even Spotify. Okay, so after this week, you will be able to work with MLA, and you'll be able to move into the following week where we were going to build on that concept. So unless you have any questions, good luck to you. And if you do have questions, please drop them into the questions for the instructor discussion board post, or just give me a quick email.